Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
A high-rise building that I like is called the Lotte Center building. It is located on the main street that connects the suburban area with the city center. There are numerous modern blocks that resemble each other, and the financial complex surrounds it. The most impressive thing about the building is without a doubt the height. In fact, it is the second tallest skyscraper in Vietnam, having 65 floors. Another distinguishable feature of this building is that it is covered by blue-colored glass. It also possesses an eye-catching architectural design inspired by the traditional outfit of Vietnamese women. It is bound to catch anyone's attention. In the interior of the building, the public can go shopping at department stores on the 1st to the 6th floor. The rest of the 65-floor tower accommodates offices, residences, and a 5-star hotel. On top of the building, there is an observation deck and a cafeteria. The reasons why I come here so often are that there are many products of famous brands that I can choose from, and I can get a fantastic bird's eye view of the whole city from the top floor.